Hi, so today I'm quickly going to go over my assignment 1 and what I did in order to implement a simple e-store so far. So first, I have my model product, which has the name, description, price, quantity, and total price of the items and products inside of my store. This is for displaying purposes, and then this is an explicit operator double. That came out of nowhere actually. But moving on, going into product service, this is where basically all the magic happens, and what we're going to use to call in order to add, update, delete, etc. To do all of those things for our products. And then I also have a simpleton, which allows for one singular point of access throughout the code. So going out into the program, I'm going to do a quick demo later, but basically I have two lists, inventory and cart. Inventory is where all of the products are stored, and then cart is whatever products the user wants to add to their cart, they're able to add. So everything is in a while loop, and it's going to continue looping until the user decides to exit the application. So we have a print menu. Again, it's going to show all of the options that the user has, and they are allowed to do any of these. And then going into our first action type, we're going to add a product into our inventory. So I created a new object for product, and then I called a fill inventory, which is a function that I use whenever I want to add or update something. And basically I'm able to enter the name, description, and price and quantity of the said product. And that's helpful, so I don't have to keep writing the same things over and over again. So inventory, we create, after we fill the inventory, we then create it, or in this case add this instance into the list, and then we can see that happen here in product services, where we simply do products that add. So going on into read, we're just going to display all of the products that we have so far, and then basically we just have a for loop, so if there's more than one product, of course, and then we're also going to keep a count, and then that count is going to be useful so for when we want to search or do an update. So going into updates, the user is allowed to enter the product that they want to update. So let's say there's 5 products, and then there's 5 products and they want to update, let's say, the first product, so 1. So they enter 1, and then fill inventory is called again, and they are asked to give basically all of the descriptions, such as the name, description, price, etc. of that product in order to complete the update. So after that, update is called from product service. And then moving along, adding an item to the cart. So the user is then able to choose an item that they want from the inventory. Again, the same process as update. So there's 5 items, and they want to move item number 1 from the inventory into the cart. They're able to do so. And then item of interest, so that's the choice that they selected, and then from there it's then added into the cart list instead of the inventory list. So cart, again, stores that specified item. So and after something is added to the cart, it is then deleted from the inventory. So then the same thing as read earlier, it's just like displaying all of the products that are in the cart. And then the user is also able to search. So searching using a name or description. So let's say there's a name. Well, like if there's like an item, they're then able to do it. So they are able to enter using the name or description, and then I use the find function in order to match the products up, and from there I displayed. So I wasn't able to finish the checkout. I'm still working on the logic for that, but I know there's like supposed to be counters and stuff for the sums, and I will get back to that eventually. So finally, if the user wants to exit the application, a JSON file is made, and that data is saved onto that JSON file, and then like if they want to come back another time, they are able to then load the data. So quickly, I'm going to build the store, and then I'm going to run it. So I want to add inventory. I enter 1. So let's say I want to enter Tale of 2 Cities. So this is going to be book, price $5, quantity 1. So then we can see the current inventory, and then I want to add another thing, so I'm going to do iPhone 13 phone, price $500, quantity 1. Okay, and then if I want to update an item, let's say I want to update the book, Tale of 2 Cities, capital, right? Yes. Book 5 and then 1. Then we're able to see that update here, capital. And then if I want to add an item to the cart, I do 4. I choose the book, and then view cart. I see that for some reason both of the items were added to the cart. I am running out of time, but I am going in to fix that later. So if I want to search the inventory and I want to do it by name or description, let's just say I want to look for a phone. Then the item has been found, and the iPhone 13. So, and then if I want to check out, that doesn't work. I'm also like in the process of fixing that. So then I want to save to cart and then exit. So it says here, thank you for shopping with us. And then we can go into our finder. H1 finder, bin, debug. And then we see here, save data, JSON file. So we can do a quick look if possible. And yeah, all of the description with like the info is stored here. So that is what I have so far. So I had to fix those 2 things. I thought it was working, but I will get back to that, and eventually like it will work again because I do need it to continue on with the project. So yeah, thanks for watching.